things in life that are inevitable: death, taxes, and a mad girlfriend. Even the nicest dude will encounter the mad girlfriend situation, and we're here to teach you how to deal with it. First of all, you need to calm yourself. Pouring a bucket of water over your head is the best way to stay calm and help you think clearly of a strategic plan to help you deal with your furious significant other. You may get wet, but your never dirty tea won't. Then you can start to proceed to the next step. Feed her. As a responsible boyfriend, you should already know what her favorite food is. Hey baby, can I get some mustard and ketchup on this? I guess it wasn't her favorite food. And don't try this with your normal white t-shirt. Only with the Never Dirty Tea can you get away with this. See? It's that easy. If that didn't work out well, surprise her. Treat her to a nice dinner. I'm sure she will love the roses, the surprise, and the wine. Oh yeah, she will love it. In order to deal with a situation like this, we're gonna have to bring out the ultimate weapon of humankind. A puppy! Even the most stubborn girlfriend won't be able to resist these adorable puppy eyes. Aww. Look how calm she is. And it's all thanks to the Never Dirty Tea. Soft, comfortable, 100% cotton, and totally safe for sensitive skin. Whoa! Don't worry, it's antibacterial, antivirus, and odor-free. In the end, nothing beats the popular quote, "Be a man, do the right thing." With this eco-friendly t-shirt, you can calm all the kind hearts out there while looking clean in this Never Dirty Tea. No more sweat stains, no more itchy neck label, no more yellowish white t-shirt, no more mad girlfriend.